Toyota has officially unveiled the new Aygo X, a subcompact crossover with SUV styling elements. Toyota Aygo X is based on the GA-B platform, an architecture derived from the TNGA Toyota New Global Architecture platform on which the Toyota Yaris and the Toyota Yaris Cross are based. Toyota Aygo X stands 3,700mm in length, 1,740mm in width and 1,510mm in height. The Toyota Aygo X comes with a two-tone exterior color scheme that enhances its rugged appearance. The dual-tone scheme has been used in a different way than usually seen in other vehicles. The C-pillar of the Aygo X gets the black tone, while the rest of the body gets other four available colors which include red, blue, cardamom green and beige. Toyota Aygo X gets a large front grille, fog lamps, headlights along with LED daytime running lights. The indicators are 2 bars of light surrounded by a subtle bright light. The Aygo X also gets a profile in which the roof is wedge-shaped to provide a more sporty look to the car. It also sits on a set of 18-inch wheels which enhance the sporty character of the Aygo X. The increase in dimensions has resulted in a greater sense of space inside the cabin. While the focus of the cabin remains on utility, it is much more modern affair than its predecessor. Taking center stage is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment unit and a semi-digital driver's instrument console. The infotainment system is laced with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay along with the option of MyT Connected Car Tech. Powering the 3rd gen Aygo X is a 1-liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol engine that pushes out 71 brake horsepower at 6,000 rpm and 93 Nm of peak torque at 4,400 rpm. This motor is paired with either a 5-speed manual or CVT automatic gearbox. As for performance, the manual iteration of the crosshatch takes 15.6 seconds to reach 100 km/h from a standstill, whereas the CVT derivative is just 0.1 seconds quicker.